Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. Today, I'm smoking my Road Town reverse calabash. Got this one from Takeo Kimura. It is a beautiful, beautiful pipe. Hey guy, girl. And in it, I am smoking some Sam Gawith Cob Plug. Wonderful, wonderful tobacco. But the reason for this video is I got this Zippo last night, and I've been waiting for this Zippo for a while. Zippo Fanatic 77 did this Zippo for me. It is so cool. I don't know if you can see if I can get that where it really shows up there. But I should be smoking my 314 Peterson. But he did this etching into the Zippo. Picture of me smoking my Peterson 314. How cool is that? Took a picture of me smoking a 314, etched it into the Zippo. On the back, it's got a pipe and a lantern. Then he's got his logo, Zippo Fanatic 77, with his crown, and he's got flames all along it on there. How awesome is that? That's going to be my regular everyday. This will be my everyday lighter from now on. That is just the coolest thing I've ever seen, man. That is just that is freaking awesome. So I got it's got a pipe lighter in it, pipe insert. That is just awesome. Man, thank you so much, man. So check out Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors now. It's called Outdoors. I think he had to add on there. Somebody hacked his channel a while back. I'll put a link down below. That guy is the authority on Zippo lighters, Zippo tricks, Zippo repairs. Anything you want to know about Zippos, he is the authority on it. Those of you who have heard about putting what they call cotton bacon in your Zippos to make the fluid last longer, he's the guy that came up with that. Or organic cotton, that stuff. He's the guy that came up with that. He's the dude, man. So check him out. Thank you so much, man. I love this. This is just freaking fantastic, man. How cool is that? I love that. So I wanted to do a thank you video for that. And man, I love it. That is just, as most of you guys know, I love Zippos. I'm a huge Zippo collector. That's my everyday right there. That is just awesome. It's got those of you who have been with me for a while know that when I started my channel, I did all my videos by lantern light at 2 o'clock in the morning. Because I'd get home at 2 in the morning, and I'd sit down and have a pipe and do a video. And so the lantern was kind of my trademark back in the day, and hope to bring that back here. And I'm gonna be doing some night videos again, and break out the lantern and get back to doing those, because I loved those so much. They were so peaceful and calming, and I love that. I love that Zippo. So he got all my trademarks in there. He got the pork pie hat and the didn't get the 320, but he got the pork pie hat and the lantern. So, God, I love it, man. I love that Zippo. That is just awesome. Thank you so much, man. The dogs were just sitting out on the grass here. It's been raining all morning, and the sun is just starting to come out. You can see looks like another storm coming over the mountain there, so we may get some more rain in a little bit. The birds are singing. The sun is shining right now. It's blue skies above me, but clouds encircling me. It's blue right above me, but clouds all around me. So I got out here just in time. I got to tell you, this cob plug is really good. The other day when I was talking about the size of my jars of tobacco, this is the little jar I was talking about. And cob plug is, I was saying the small jars were tobaccos that I don't smoke much. Cob plug is one I would smoke a lot of if I had a lot of it. But I only have that one little piece of it. So I need to order more cob plug, because that's one I do enjoy a lot. So I need to see if I can order more of that here in the States. I don't know if I got that from somebody else or if I ordered that myself. I have a feeling I got that from somebody. So I need to see if I can order that here in the States and order more of that. Otherwise, I will be smoking that very rarely. I think I may have gotten that from Stonehenge Minstrel or 13 Pipes. I think one of those two guys may have sent that to me. I'll have to check and see if I can. It's one week I can order here. I may have ordered it myself, I'm not sure, but I think it came from Stonehenge Minstrel. But it's a beautiful plug. Just a gorgeous plug. Just smells incredible. Just love the smell of it. I think I had gotten a little bit of it from Cobbett of the Shire. I think he sent me a chunk of it, and I think I have just a tiny little piece of that in here. And that's what I have left of the piece that Cobbett of the Shire sent me. And this is a really, really wonderful treat. So a viewer told me that there's a 320 at Milan Tobacco in their estate. Try and get down there tomorrow and get that one. It's a good price. If nobody buys it. I have to call them up, see if I can pay for it and then go down there and pick it up tomorrow. Because you can never have enough 320, you know. Got to pick up some tobacco that I got to send to Tilted Piper Steve in a package. I've been meaning to send him I got a package for him I got to send out, and I've been meaning to pick up some tobacco to put in it for him. And it's been far too long since I was supposed to send that package out, so I gotta wait for Sadie to take me over there, and she's always working and going to school, so I think she's off tomorrow from work and school, so I think tomorrow I can get her to take me over there and to the post office. We can get that package mailed out. So Steve, if you're watching, I apologize for that, but it's coming. She's got a midterm today, so she's been studying, and she wouldn't go anywhere until this midterm's over. She wouldn't. Anyway, that's what's going on today. So, isn't that the coolest Zippo ever? That is just awesome. I love that thing, man. That is just so cool. I'll catch you later. Make sure you check out Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors. And I will check y'all later. Have a good one.